Hey there, Andy Cabasso from Offspread and Postaga here. Today, I want to help you get more traffic to your website. Well, easier said than done, right? Well, for years, I ran a successful digital marketing agency where we focused specifically on helping our clients get more traffic to their websites. In this course, I'm going to give you a walkthrough, a step-by-step play of how you can boost your rankings and build more traffic by doing link building email outreach. Now, why link building? Well, with link building and outreach, we're focusing on the single most important thing that Google cares about in its algorithm. There are tons of articles out there telling you that all you need to do to get more traffic is to keep writing blog content and just keep publishing and you'll see more traffic. This drives me crazy because that's just not the case anymore. The single most important of all of the 200 plus Google ranking factors is high quality backlinks. The more high quality websites that link to your website translates to higher search rankings and more traffic. And in this course, I'm going to teach you how to build links and how to get other quality, relevant websites to link to yours. Through this course, I'm going to show you different specific link building strategies. You may be familiar with terms like Skyscraper technique or link Roundup outreach. I'm going to show you how to do those. Also, I'm going to show you some of the pitfalls and things to avoid based on real-world experience running these campaigns. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know from beginning to end, from topic research to using specific outreach tools to finding email addresses to crafting the right emails and doing the outreach and then managing it all. Oh, before I forget, before we get into it, this course we're also going to be sharing some free downloadable tools. Things like email templates, so you don't have to start from scratch with your email outreach efforts. And things like a spreadsheet so you can track and manage your outreach campaigns. So, with all of that, let's dive in. In this first video, we're going to be talking specifically about blog writing for email outreach campaigns. Then, we're going to talk about tools and the things that you're going to need to do your outreach successfully. And then we're going to dive into specific outreach campaign types, things like link roundups, skyscraper technique, and maybe some other techniques that you haven't heard of before. So let's just get started. Oh, and if you are watching this on YouTube, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check us out online at postaga.com and offsprout.com.